Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Just like it's so important to feed ourselves the right foods, it's important for our plants as well. That's why I am really in love with using this awesome plant mix. This is from Plant Magic, and this Plant Magic really has made such a difference in the growth and care of my plants. What I really love about this product is the diversity. Whether you're using it for your trees, your vegetables, your fruits, this plant food will really do the best you can for all of your plants. So it has kelp in it, calcium, amino acids, good bacteria, bone ash, and even healthy fungi that our plants need. So I can see definitely a good growth effort when it comes to my plants that are in my greenhouse, my outdoor plants, even my flowers. Even the ones that get hit by the sun, it does not burn the leaves, but you can really see that they're responding so well to this plant food. This plant food is really easy to give to your plants as well. You can mix it directly into a gallon of water, and you can see it has that really yummy, dark looking dirt look to it so that you know that it's going to be giving your plants good food. You can also administer it by using it when you're doing your seeds, giving it a little bit of food then, or you can incorporate it into your spraying when you're watering your garden. If you're really looking to oomph your garden, add into your trees and your foliage and flowers around the yard, check out this product. You'll definitely find it really easy to use, and your plants will really respond to it and start to really show all of their beautiful colors. But that's just my point of view.